Hi everyone. Implicitly unwrapped optional. An optional in Swift is a type that can have a value or a nil value. For example, this is a dictionary and this is an optional type. An optional type can have a nil value or can have a value in it, so we don't know. And this is a safe way of declaring variables because in Swift everything has to be initialized first, so you initialize it as an optional. And implicitly unwrapped optional is where you declare the type and you are 100% sure there's value in it. And to declare an implicitly unwrapped optional, you add an exclamation mark at the end of it. So, for example, this is an implicitly unwrapped optional, and we are 100% sure there's just these values in it. So, for first value optional phone dictionary apple. So this is an optional type. We need to unwrap it first. So that's why we return an error here. Must be unwrapped first. And this is where we have implicitly unwrapped optional or unwrapped dictionary, and we are 100% sure these values are in it. So then we return here as this. And this is not safe way of using this. So be careful when using implicitly unwrapped optional and use optionals as much as you can. For example, think about you're creating a application form. The user has to fill out the form, name, surname, address, image, and uploading an image is not mandatory, so you leave it as an optional and check if there's value in it. You put it in the database. Otherwise, you skip it. That's the idea. So be careful when using implicitly unwrapped optional, because that means you're 100% sure there's value in it. So let's run again and see. Excuse me. So as you see, this should be unwrapped first. Then we can access it. So that's the idea. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.